Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards for your daily energies as usual. But for your love energies, I'll be doing a pick a card reading. So that reading will follow this daily energy, guys. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can watch that. I have given the timestamp in the description, so you can click on the timestamp and watch that video, guys. So for your daily energies, Gemini, it's Two of Swords, Six of Wands and Page of Pentacles. So with these cards here, Gemini, there are certain things, certain situations or circumstances you are really happy about, and you feel that happiness, sense of accomplishment today. Things are going in a very positive way. That is what I see here. And also, guys, for your maybe it is your person's energy or maybe it is your energy, they feel that they can trust you. You are a person of trust and a great understanding. You are a very simple person, humble person. That is what they feel, and they are very much attracted to you, attracted to your beauty, or you may be attracted to their beauty. So this relationship may be based on this attraction and trust. You have a deep understanding with each other. So I see here that things are going in a very positive way here, guys. That is what I see with these cards. This may be your energy regarding your work situation or your relationship. That is what I see here. And also for some of you, you may be making some very critical decisions today, something very important in your life, maybe in your work or in your relationship. You have to decide between something, and you are not able to come to a clear decision what path you need to take. So that is also the energy here, guys, and that is for your general reading, Gemini. So for your love energy, you can choose the pile and watch that reading, guys. That will follow now. This is for your love reading, guys. So it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first card, this is the second card, guys. So whichever card you want to watch, I have given the timestamp and you can go to the reading, guys. So we will start with this card, guys. We will be picking 5 cards from this deck for your love energies, guys. So this will resonate to all signs, guys. We will be picking 5 cards. The Sun, King of Wands in reverse, Four of Wands, Four of Swords, and the World. So with these cards, guys, for your love energies, you have that great understanding with this person, guys, confidence, that reliability, that trustworthiness is there in this relationship, and you share a great understanding. That is also what I see here with these cards, guys. And you are celebrating something, guys, maybe some initial success in this relationship, maybe you, because of this understanding, or because of the way you feel about each other, that deep bond that you have in this relationship. So you are celebrating something in this relationship, some new beginning with this person, and you have that satisfaction, peace of mind, and successful conclusion about some situation in your relationship. You are happy for it, happy for this relationship, how this is going. That harmony is there, that balance is there in this relationship, guys. Maybe some of y'all, you may be dealing with a Leo, Aries, or Libra, guys. Maybe your person is a Libra whom you are dealing with, or a Leo or an Aries. That is also what I see here. And maybe you are thinking deeply, you want marriage with this person, or you want deep commitment with this person. So you are thinking what is your next move, how you want to take this relationship forward, go with an engagement or marriage, what is your next step. So you are making some important decisions today. That is also what I see here. And also for some of you, the decisions you make today, you are a person who stands by your decisions, guys. So whatever you are deciding on, that choice that you're making, you make it after a clear thought. So, and you stand by those decisions. Whatever you take, you never give up on the person you want to be with, or what to say, you are a rock kind of person when you it comes to that determination. So whatever you decide on, you stand by it. So you are such a person. So you are thinking deeply whether you want to move forward with that commitment and marriage, because you have that great understanding and love. And maybe for some of you, this person may come with a proposal, guys. That may be the reason for celebration we see with this card. So this person is also accepting your proposal, or you may be proposing and they are accepting, and you're celebrating this relationship. That is what these cards are about, guys, for your love energy. So for those who have chosen this card, let us see what is coming up, guys, for your love energies. These cards will relate to all signs, guys. So for your love situation, what are the cards? Lilies, mice, lady, dog, key. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that in this relationship, guys, this person, they are truly devoted to you, guys. You have that great understanding, love is there, that deep connection, intimacy is there. You share a great attraction for each other, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Maybe this is a karmic relationship. That is the reason you have that deep bonding with this person, affection, love, and you share a great understanding. And even at the first time when you met this person, you would have had that familiarity with this person, guys. Something denoting a deep bond, attraction and understanding. And maybe the reason for this familiarity, maybe this may be a destined connection, guys, a karmic connection. That is the reason you feel so familiar with this person, the way they talk or way they behave, or that understanding you have, that mental wavelength when it connects in a perfect way. So you feel that you are made for each other. That is what I see. Maybe in some situations you may feel that this person is using your efforts, trying to use you in some way, but there may be some things that some kind of misunderstandings or some quarrels or some misunderstandings may be there. But the reason maybe because that may not be something very major, guys. It may be something very small compared to that understanding you both share. And this is a very positive card here, guys. So whatever negatives that you are having in your relationship, maybe some quarrels or some misunderstandings, whatever that is, you may be able to overcome that. You are seeing through it because you have that great love with this person, that understanding with this person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Overall, the energy is that this person has that deep attraction towards you guys, and they are devoted to you. Maybe you may have just like every other relationship, minor flaws are there, but that is not something to think of this connection as what to say, a negative one. This is a very positive connection here, guys, with these cards. That is what the energy with these cards, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.